Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jenny and this is LaShenny21Nails. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this beautiful gift that my sister sent to me for my birthday. It's a beautiful set of Ejiubas stamping plates. They come in this beautiful purple case. And the plates are inside another clear plastic bag. The Ejiubas stamping plates are double-sided, so you get images on both sides of the plate. The kit that she bought me has 3 plates. Let's take a closer look at each one individually. The first one is Ejiubas EJB X04. Next is EJB X05. And the last one is EJB X06. Before we can use the plate, we have to remove the blue protective film. Let's go ahead and swatch some of the images on these plates. I'm going to be using the Maniology polish called Midnight Madness, the Ejiubas Clear Stamper, and Scraper. Beautiful pickup. To clean off the stamper, I use my lint roller. I think I'm smushing the stamper too much. Let's do some on the other side. I'm going to use this bigger stamper so that I can get more images at once. Let's try EJB X05 with this Maniology stamping polish called Fireside. I think it's pretty clear that these stamping plates stamp beautifully. They're very well etched and the images are gorgeous. So I'm not going to extend this video too much, but I just wanted to share it with you guys because I'm really happy with these plates. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!